Hello friends, welcome back. Standard 10 Maths, chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry, and I am taking this lecture number 10. In the previous lecture, we have derived the formula for area of the triangle if the coordinates of all the three vertices of the triangles are given, and we derived this formula that area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. So this was the formula we derived. Now we take certain examples based on this formula. We go for textual examples. Example number 11 I take. You have to find out the area of the triangle where the vertices are given A 1 minus 1, B minus 4, 6 and C minus 3, minus 5. So these are the 3 points given with their vertices, and you want to find out the area of triangle. So ABC means the area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into square bracket x1. x1 means 1 into bracket y2 minus y3. 6 minus minus 5. So 6 plus 5, it is 11. Plus x2. x2 is minus 4 into bracket y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. So minus 5 minus minus 1. So it is minus 5 plus 1. It is minus 4. Plus x3. x3 is minus 3 and into bracket y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. Minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7 square bracket over. So is equal to 1/2. 11 ones are 11 minus minus plus 4 4s are 16 minus minus plus 7 3s are 21. So is equal to 1/2 into bracket 1 and 6 7 and 1 8. 2 and 1 3 and 1 4. 48 into 1/2 means upon 2, so it is 24 square units. So this is how you can find out area of triangle with the given formula. Okay, we take one more example. It is example number 12. Here also you have to find out the area of triangle with given A 5, 2, B 4, 7 and C 7, minus 4. These are the points given. We check the points one more. 5, 2, 4, 7 and 7 minus 4. Again we want to go for area of triangle ABC. So say AB is equal to 1/2 into square bracket x1, that is 5, into bracket y2 minus y3. 7 minus minus 4, that is 7 plus 4 11 plus x2. x2 is 4 into bracket y3 minus y1. y3 minus 4 minus 2, it is minus 6 plus x3. x3 is 7 into bracket y1 minus y2. 2 minus 7, it is minus 5. Okay, square bracket over. So is equal to 1/2 into bracket 11 5s are 55 plus into minus minus 6 4s are 24 plus into minus minus 7 5s are 35. So is equal to 1/2 into bracket 55, and these two are negative. So minus 5 and 4 9, 3 and 2 5. So 1/2 into minus 4 is equal to minus 2. But as I have told you that area cannot be negative, so we don't consider this negative sign, and is equal to write 2 square units. So this way you can get the answer for the area. Okay, we take the next question, example number 13.
13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13.
only area is we found out, but it is a special case. So I take this question. It is point P minus 1.5 comma 3, Q 6 comma minus 2, and R minus 3 comma 4, and you have to find out the area. So here PQ and R are the vertices, so triangle is PQR. PQR is equal to 1/2 into square bracket x1 minus 1.5 into bracket y2 minus y3 minus 2 minus 4, it is minus 6, plus x2 is 6, y3 minus y1 4 minus 3, it is 1, plus x3 is minus 3, and y1 minus y2 3 minus minus 2, so 3 plus 2 5. Got it? So 1/2 into 15 6 are 90, one decimal is moved, so it is 9, minus minus plus 6 ones are 6, plus into minus minus 5 3s are 15. So it is 1/2 into bracket 9 and 6, 15 minus 15 is equal to 1/2 into 0. 0 into anything, answer is 0. So area of the triangle is coming to 0 square units. So it is to understood that area is 0. That means all the three vertices, they don't form a triangle, they are collinear. They are on the same line, then only the area can come to 0. So whenever area is 0, you should consider that all the three vertices, they are collinear on the same line, okay? We move ahead and we go for one more question, that is exercise number 4, example 14, sorry. Now you are given that these 3 points, A, that is 2, 3, B 4, K, K is the unknown number, and C, they are 6, minus 3. Now it is said that A, B and C are collinear. So you have to find out the value of K. Now just now in the previous example we say that if the points are collinear, area is 0. So we will use the formula of area of the triangle here, but we will compare area to be 0, okay? So first of all, ABC is equal to 1/2 into square bracket 2, that is x1 into bracket k minus minus 3, it is k plus 3, plus x2 means 4, minus 3 is minus 6, plus 6 into bracket 3 minus k. Now you know the formula, so I directly plot the values. Now as I told you, all the 3 points are given collinear, so area is 0. So 0 into 1/2, answer is 0 only, is equal to 2k plus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, minus 24, plus 6 3s are 18, minus 6k. Okay? So 0 is equal to 2k minus 6k minus 4k. 18 plus 6 24 and minus 24, so they are cancelled. So minus 4k is 0, therefore 4k is equal to 0, therefore k is equal to 0 upon 4, therefore k is 0. So as the points are given collinear, we found the value of k. Okay? Now sometimes instead the triangle, you are given the quadrilateral. Then how to find out area of quadrilateral? We don't have the formula, but we take the example so you can get the idea how to find out area of a quadrilateral. So you are given quadrilateral ABCD and the points in order are A minus 5 7, B -4, -5, and C -1, -6, and D it is 4, 5. I draw the picture of quadrilateral ABCD roughly. It is some quadrilateral, and we are going to find the area of this. What is the idea? You draw any one diagonal. So we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Is it clear? Now you know the formula for triangle ABC. When you go for ABC, you will take A, B and C, these 3 points. Find the area. Then you have to go for triangle ADC. At that time, you don't take B, A, D and C. These 3 points you take. You take the area of this quadrilateral ADC, and finally ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So when you add these two, you will get the area of full quadrilateral. As over and over again, we are going to use the same formula for area of triangle. I don't calculate this, but the idea I have given you, you have to add these two area and you will get the full area. So here we have completed the examples, and now we go for the exercise. Again I tell you, in the exercise almost the questions are same, so I will only take the novelty examples. Okay, so one very good example I take here. It is your question number 3. You are given a triangle ABC and you are given the vertices of triangle ABC A 0, -1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3, and you have to find out, suppose there are 3 points, every side has a unique midpoint. They are respectively D, E and F. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. Then what is the area of this triangle DEF? So the question is such that find out the area formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are given. Okay, so now D is the midpoint. So for finding D, you have to find out you have to use the midpoint formula. So what is D? x1 plus x2 whole upon 2. 0 plus 2 upon 2 is 1. -1 plus 1, 0 upon 2 is 0. So D is this. E, 2 plus 0, 2 upon 2, 1. 1 plus 3, 4 upon 2, 2. Now F, 0 plus 0, 0 upon 2 is 0. -1 plus 3 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1. So we have found out the vertices of the midpoints of all these 3 sides. Now we have to find out the ratio area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC. This you want to find. Okay, so first of all we go for area of triangle DEF is equal to 1/2 into bracket. Now this will be first point, second point, third point. We take the formula of x1. x1 is 1. Then y2 minus y3. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Plus x2, it is 1. y3 minus y1. So it is 1 minus 0, it is 1. Plus x3, it is 0. Okay, so x1 y1 minus y2. So 0 minus -2 is -2. So is equal to 1/2. 1 ones are 1 plus 1 ones are 1 plus 0 into anything, answer is 0. So it is 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2, answer is 1. So your area of triangle DEF is 1. Upon, you have to find out area of triangle ABC. So again with the same formula, you have to find out area of triangle ABC. We go for, I write the points here. A, it is 0, -1. B, 2, 1. And C, it is 0, 3. These are the 3 points. we go for the area. ABC is equal to 1/2 into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3, 1 minus 3, it is minus 2, plus 2 into bracket 3 minus minus 1, 4, plus 0 into bracket minus 1, it is minus 2. So is equal to 1/2. Minus 2 zeros are 0. 4 2s are 8. 0 into minus 2, 0. So it is 1/2 into 8 is equal to 4. So ABC is 4. So ratio of DEF upon ABC is 1:4. Okay. Now the last question of the exercise I take you. I will simply explain the method. I will not solve the question because formula to be used is the same. And that is why in standard 9 you had a theorem that in a triangle the median divides the triangle into two equal area. That you want to prove here. So first of all, A is given 4, minus 6, B is given 3, minus 2, C is given 5, 2. And you want to prove both these areas are equal. What is median? The line segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. So D is the midpoint. So you can find out midpoint formula. 3 plus 5, 8 upon 2, 4. Minus 2 plus 2, 0 upon 2, 0. So these are the coordinates for point D. Now first of all, you find out ABD and you find out ACD and you prove that these both are same. Then you can prove that the median divides the triangle into two equal area. Is it clear? So here we come to the end of chapter number 7. So please do the exercise in your notebook, and we frequently, now we are in the month of July completed. So the exams will be of chapter 2, chapter 5 and chapter 7 will be conducted. So for this time it is thank you. Good night.